Welcome back to our channel. Now today's question is, a customer using Lifecycle Events Enterprise has configured their onboarding process. Now management has tasked the HR admin with creating a way to back out onboarding work in case the new employee decides not to join the company. Which of these is the best method to use to reverse work already performed as part of this lifecycle event? And the options are: option A, check the allow blackout box on each of the activities. Option B, configure a new lifecycle event with the necessary activities. Option C, configure the recent activity set with the necessary activities. And option D, check the allow blackout box on each of the activity sets. And the correct option is option C. The Enterprise Service Management Integrations Framework contains common components to be used for integrating HR applications with third-party systems. Which capability does the Enterprise Service Management Integrations Framework leverage to communicate with external instance and third-party systems? And the options are: option A, Integration Designer; option B, Flow Designer; option C, Design Hub; and option D, Mobile Designer. And the correct option is option B. Next question is, which of these is the recommended way to trigger activities in a life cycle event in a particular order? And the options are: option A, create child life cycle events that are triggered when the previous one is complete. Option B, create separate activity sets and set each to be triggered on a specific date. Option C, create activity containers and establish an order for each activity. And option D, create separate activity sets and set each to be triggered based on the closure of the previous activity set. And the correct option is option C. Next question is, scenario: the customer has purchased HR core and now they want to add the life cycle events application. For life cycle events, they want to be able to assign tasks to groups outside of the HR organization. Which of the following items should they license? And the options are: option A, Human Resources Core; option B, Human Resources Employee Relations; option C, Human Resources Scoped App Lifecycle Enterprise; and option D, Human Resources Scoped App Lifecycle Events. And the correct option is option C. Next question is, in a life cycle event, which of these allows you to define relationships between fields in various tables? And the options are: option A, HR criteria; option B, activity field mappings; option C, activity conditions; and option D, source mappings. And the correct option is option B. Next question is, employee documents are categorized by which of the following, which may also include meta tags to make them easier to search for later? And the options are: option A, security policy; option B, attachment type; option C, topic detail; and option D, document type. And the correct option is option D. Next question is, what must be done to automatically move attachments from an HR case into the document repository? And the options are: option A, select the automatically move attachment box on the retention policy; option B, select the automatically move attachment box on the document type; option C, select the automatically move attachment box on the HR service; And option D, there is no way to automatically move attachments into the repository. And the correct option is option C. Next question is, before a campaign can be published, some items are required. The following must be added before publishing a start, an audience, and each of the following. And the options are option A, at least one successful goal, option B, at least 2 employee tasks, option C, at least one piece of content, and option D, at least one video link. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in comment section. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.